Okay, here it comes the Poco X3 MIUI 12 Android 11 Global Stable Update. It's India Global Stable Update. So yes, Indian users were waiting for this and they just rolled out this update for the users. It's MIUI 12.0.1.0 stable version, which is actually looking quite good. The performance seems to be increased till now, and many users are actually not updating this because the issue which was raised on Poco X2 device about the camera was broken after the update. No worries, I have installed this on my device, tested a lot of things, and there are nothing to worry about. You can update your device. What is the changelog? We have the stable MIUI based on Android version 11, updated Android security patch to May 2021, increased system security, and status bar and notification shade GPS toggle is renamed to location. Nothing big, but it's of course Android version 11, also with the May 2021 security patch, which isn't that bad. It's June going on and they are rolling out the May 2021 security patch, which is not bad. And yes, one of the main highlight is it's based on Android version 11. It's Android version 11, so some new features are included. For example, the sound assistant, some little bit of things in control center, but nothing else to talk about. The things are actually same like other Android 11 builds. So actually we don't have these control center things like data usage tiles, still not available. You only have the mobile data, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and flashlight. These four tiles are header tiles, but we don't get extra tiles. Also, you don't have the swipe feature between notification and the control center because it's not MIUI 12.5. The best thing is it's actually Android version 11, so you might get MIUI 12.5 update very soon because this is a proprietary update. But yes, this is the thing which I was talking about. Some users were worrying about updating this because the camera issue was there in Poco X2 after the update, and that was really a big issue. But now nothing to talk about, nothing to worry about. Actually, I tried it, I'm using it, I don't have any kind of issues while using camera, at least for now. And if you want to update it, you can. Also, a lot of users already updated it, so I don't think so they are having any kind of issues. So comment below if you are not having any issues. This is the Poco X3 latest Android version 11 update on your devices. It has all those features in camera. No new UI, by the way. It's not MIUI 12.5. The features are almost same here. Vlog mode 64 megapixel. And also let me just tell you two more things here. For example, if you move into the theme store, if you are a custom ROM user, always use custom ROMs on your devices, or if you're using MIUI custom ROMs on your devices, in this Indian ROMs you will not be able to import the themes from third-party stores. So you need to keep this thing in your mind if you're looking to update it. And in the volume panel, of course, no changes, same kind of volume panel, but in MIUI 12.5 the volume panel might be changed, but you can also do that without root. I made a video on that one too, so make sure to check out that how you can change the volume panel in your device without even rooting your device. This is on the main highlight. As in Poco Launcher, in this update we have the option of swiping down this for notification center and control center like this. Swipe down from the right side, you'll see the control center, and swipe down from the left side, you'll see the notification center. So it's good. Also, if you move on to the additional settings and go to the full screen display, you have this full screen indicator. So all the MIUI features are included in this Android 11 update. I might have already shown you this feature in global stable update, but it's now rolled out in India. And if you already got the OTA, as it's a testers build, so you might simply install this. But if you didn't got the OTA update, you can simply wait for it. This is the OTA update which you will get very soon. But I just want to let you know about these things a little bit. Same features, privacy protection is the boring one over the UI. Battery has also the same boring UI. New updates are not there, but you can update these things manually. I will provide you the updates for these things very soon on my channel, so stay tuned and make sure to subscribe the channel to get information about these updates and a lot more things. Maybe if you're using any other device, it's just up to you. We have the system apps updater option available here for you, and if you want to update anything, you can. I'm not sure after updating you will see all those new features or not, but you can give it a try if you want to. I didn't update it on my device, but yes, you can give it a try. And this game space, or you can say game turbo, this is a new UI. Let me just show you by going into home page orientation to horizontal. Let's see if it is game turbo or if it is game space. Yes, it is game space. It's not a Poco game turbo, by the way. It's actually a different one. But this is all from today's video. Link is in the description. Thanks for watching. Goodbye. Have a nice day.
over the edge. Feel like I'm floating through the air.